Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can highlight body part or muscle on Capcut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here as you can see, I have created a Capcut project on my Capcut PC application. And first of all, you need to prepare your video. And then you have to prepare this red background as the highlight for the video. And I'm just going to add this red background to my project. Okay, and I'm going to go to the mask option and then select the circle mask, and we can place this red circle to the body part or to the muscle we want to highlight. And I'm going to highlight this part, so I'm going to place it right here. Okay, and then we can adjust the feather. Click on this option to adjust the feather like this. And to make it more natural, I recommend you to go to the blend mode and blend this highlight with your video. Go to the video and then you're going to select basic and select the blend, and here you can choose the blend mode you want to use. For example, I'm going to select, let's try multiply. Okay, I'm gonna go with this one guys, and then I'm going to go to the mask again, and then I'm going to adjust it. Okay, you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks, and then I'm going to show you what we have right now. If the body part is moving, you can use keyframe to make this highlight follow the moving part. If you want to use keyframe, you can click on the red background and then you can click on this keyframe icon. Okay guys, and that's all the way to highlight body part or muscle on Capcut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.